Good morning, everybody. So I'm glad that y'all can join me. So what's going on this morning with me, I'll tell y'all about my week later on. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to beautify the truck, my work truck. So I'm gonna show you the truck now, and hopefully after I finish it'll look a whole lot better. So I got the contract over here helping me this morning, and then later on after he helped me, one of our workers, my friend Justin, he's supposed to be over here in a couple of hours to help me with something else on the truck. All right, so let me show you the truck now. This is the truck now. Okay, back doors. So now what we did was, since the door was messed up, we took the inside screws and the plates off. Okay, everybody, we finished the truck. It's kind of dark out here now. The reason why, because me and Justin, we had a couple of deliveries that we was doing at the same time, in between trying to do the truck and doing little strategic little paint spots here and there. But I think that we got it looking pretty good. What you think, Justin?
I think it looks real good.
Huh?
I think it looks really good.
All right, so I know y'all seen it before. Let's take a look at it again of the before. This is the truck now. And now we'll come back and we'll look at the after. So we also changed the doors. I was tired of them wide doors trying to back up. And the thing about this truck, I think I had it, I want to say, Justin, probably about, let me see, I think Brooke was 2 when I got it. So I had this going on 13 years, and it's hard to get rid of a truck when, you know, all you got to do is just, you know what I'm saying, keep the truck up, jump in it. The truck that took me to Chicago one time, took me to Florida 3 times, Dayton, Ohio 5 times, South Carolina 3 times, North Carolina probably 10 times. So, you know, when you got something like that, it's kind of hard to get rid of, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, all right, but anyway, I ain't gonna keep running my mouth. Let's take a look and see what me and Justin and my contractor, he helped me change the door, and so we got rid of the door because you had to open the door and you couldn't back all the way up to the top. All right, so let's look at it. All right. You got anything to say to the people?
Not really.
All right, man, I sure appreciate it, Justin. So I think we'll call it a day. What you think, Justin? Or you see something else, Justin, we need to do to it?
I think it's
He gonna say that anyway. But I don't think we got nothing else to do. Yeah, so what you say, Justin?
You need to add them hooks and stuff for the tarp, the roll up. You can hook it up.
Okay. Yeah, we can order, but I don't feel like doing it right now. We just gonna have to do that another time. All right, y'all. So we're out. So, Justin, we're closing out now. What you got to tell the people?
What you make happen for others, God will make also happen for you.
He was close, y'all. All right, till then, be blessed.
Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people.